Hey everyone, buckle up because today we're working the baby backhoe. We're having a little fun. What we're going to be doing is extending a driveway. That's right. I had this driveway put in, it's just not quite wide enough, to pull equipment in. They always seem to be falling off the side. So the first thing we're doing is we're cleaning it out a little bit so that it'll be a little bit easier for the water to flow the correct direction, because water does not like flowing uphill, we all know that, but it will in certain circumstances. Gotta love this little guy. I'm telling you, this little backhoe has saved me a ton of work. Actually made me some money too. Really nice little machine. Working with some good material, looks like some nice gravel, not mud or nothing. That's what that little backhoe's saved me a lot of work from, using the hand shovel. Must be picking rocks out of there or something. I don't exactly know. I know what I was doing. I was digging out around it because the other pipe goes over top of that one. Really nice setup. I lucked out, really lucked out with this. Had to get the level, make sure it's sloped. Ha! Pushed it right in. Look at that, went right over top of it, wonderful. Water will flow right through there. Just like a scared cat. Matter of fact, it's probably big enough for a cat to crawl through if it wanted to. Yeah, look at that. I left the backhoe part of it sticking out. I'm surprised I didn't hit anything. Hey, if you like what you see so far, give it a thumbs up. Check out the channel. Uncle Gary Builds. It's about building and everything, and might even get some hints occasionally. Oh, look at that. I brought that back bucket back in finally. I don't know when I did that, but I must have did it someplace. See how I backbladed it, made it nice and smooth? Tell you, it's a sweet machine. They're getting hard to find though. Little JCB Mini CX. It's a British machine. Trouble is, the Brits, they discontinued making it for our area. Don't know why. Love the machine. Hard to get parts for now. Nope, roller tamper now, roller tamper. Gotta pick those big stones out. They're hard to make things flat with, rolling around on them marbles. Cobblestones. The bane of my existence. Well, I got that finished. Now it's fine. Time to fill in another trench. tell you, it's a lot easier than a hand shovel and a wheelbarrow. A lot faster too. Getting close, getting close. Here we go again, backblading it. Filling in that little trench. We'll make her flat again. Hey, time for the animals to eat. Thanks for watching.